What's going on, everybody? I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, here with another exhilarating T3 off-the-cuff episode. Please hit the bell icon if you haven't already, because we upload multiple times a day sometimes with this segment, and you don't want to miss out on any of our weekly reviews. And go ahead and, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. So, guys, what are we going to be talking about today? Well, first, we're going to go ahead and tell the time, and then I'm going to bring up something that is going on with my arch nemesis. It is 12:15 p.m. Let's get down to business. I'm talking about none other than Hodinkee. And Hublo. Hodinkee and Hublo have teamed up to try and destroy me. And they will not succeed. And I'm going to explain why. This is just another mockery of watchmaking and watch salesmanship just coalescing and producing utter crap. Now, this is a limited edition of 100 pieces, okay? Here's the insane part about this. They're going to sell out. That's not Hodinkee's problem. That's not Hublo's problem. It's the people buying them's problem, because Hublo's sink like rocks on the secondary market. Okay, their value is negative. Like it's terrible. Their value retention is the worst, and they're not worth what you pay for them. When you team up with Hodinkee, Hodinkee is going to inflate the price even further. So when you buy the watch, again, this is a limited 100 pieces coming out tomorrow. So we're going to be doing an episode tomorrow when we find out what these things look like and sell for. You're going to be getting something that is literally overpriced hot garbage. Because what happens when you take the two H's and put them together? Hublo and Hodinkee.
I farted and a poopy almost slipped out.
Poop. That's what you get, poop. Another thing I wanted to bring up is that the people here on their, I guess, like little teaser landing page, there's some attractive youngsters. These are probably like 20-somethings, you know what I mean? Oh, beauty, and attractiveness, it's wasted on the young. Just wait till you become 34 and you're balding. And you got white hairs everywhere. And there's hairs coming out of places you didn't even know you had. Oh, it's so nice being young and attractive and delicious. Here's what I'm trying to get at. These 20-somethings, right, with their, like, hip style and, like, coolness. These aren't the people wearing or buying Hublo, first of all. Second of all, these are not the Hodinks. Do you think these two, this beautiful young woman, this handsome young man, do you think they're the Hodinks that are going to be waiting, chomping at the bit for this pre-order? Absolutely not. The people that are going to be buying this are the stuffy, snuck-up, turtleneck-wearing, tweed sport coat rocking people with I don't know, maybe glasses similar to mine or something. But they exclusively argue about the mouthfeel and the notes in certain scotches and brandies, and they have libraries studies. They call them studies. They sit in their studies and they argue about reference numbers and beat frequencies and friction coefficients on joules and movements. If you're into that stuff, cool, that's awesome. But these people are not the type of people that are going to be buying the thing they're selling. And I think that this is kind of just silly marketing. Anyway, when this came out and I was like, okay, Hublo is teaming up with Hodinkee, I just got the urge to go on eBay and see what was going on with eBay. I typed in Hodinkee. People are asking $700 for one of the John Mayer 6900s. $2,500 for a Longines Heritage Classic Hodinkee. The Hodinkee Bamford Peanuts watch, the Beagle Scout. $2,000 after shipping. Oh my gosh. Hodinkee Oris, the 200-piece limited edition, 250-piece limited edition for $2,300. Timex Q. Buy it now for almost $300. The Seiko Elegance Hodinkee limited edition, $38.90. Oh, the Type 1H limited edition for Hodinkee, 1 of 20, almost $30,000. So it's fun. Another John Mayer, another Longines, another Timex Q, another Timex Q. These Hamiltons, another John Mayer, another John Mayer. Another John Mayer. You know, John Mayer, John Mayer, John Mayer, John Mayer. It's insane. So literally, people are buying these, and I don't know if they're thinking, look, a $7,000 Hermes, Slim de Hermes, and I reviewed one of these, not the Hodinkee edition, but I reviewed this exact watch. If you want to go to my channel and check it out, but it's interesting. Seems like people are buying these Hodinkee watches and then perhaps regretting it because we're seeing this. This is actually a very nice watch right here. This El Primero. I absolutely love this with the 3-tone sub registers. These are so cool. Only thing I hate is that date window. If it didn't have that date window, this is like a absolutely gorgeous watch. Not for $10,000 though, in my humble opinion. Hey, another one for over $10,000. Cool. Anyway, I thought this was absolutely silly, and I think the silliest part about this is the people that they use to market it, because these hip, trendy youngsters are not the Hodinks that are going to be buying the watches. And the weird thing is, I'm not sure that the Hodinks that are going to be buying this even want to look like these people, because I think they love looking like snobby nerds, not hip youngsters. But I mean, what do I know, guys? All right, guys, I will catch you on the next one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We will come back tomorrow and complain about whatever these watches end up looking like. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Telling. Always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.
We're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we take it higher.